In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cam position sensor on your Ford Focus located in the valve cover. Now with the hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate your cam position sensor right here. It's on the far right side of our valve cover on the front side. I want to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector, press down on this little spring tab and pull the connector off. Then we're going to use an 8mm socket on our 1/4" ratchet. So go ahead, loosen and remove this bolt. Probably get to a point we can finish removing that bolt by hand. There it is. Hold on to that. We'll be reusing that. Now go ahead and grab that sensor, give it a little twist and a pull up, and you can go ahead and remove that. Now before installing the unit here, you're going to see that there's a rubber O-ring around the perimeter. And what you can do is you can either use a little bit of engine oil or a little bit of silicone paste on that O-ring. That's just going to help that O-ring slide into position and seal up nice. Go ahead and position that in and push that down into position. Go ahead and grab that bolt we previously removed, install it. I'm going to start it by hand. I'll have to thread that down as far as I can by hand. And then we'll go ahead and snug that down. Once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more, make sure it's snug. And then go ahead and take that electrical connector, line it up, and push it on. Quick little click, and you know you're engaged. Don't forget, if you have a check engine light on due to this sensor acting up, be sure to use your proper scan tool, clear that code, and they can go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.